Emotional challenges and coping responses of parents of intellectually challenged children. Raising a child with intellectual disability requires great emotional strength and adaptability. Such children have unique medical, educational, and caregiving needs that can overwhelm parents. This study aimed to understand how parents cope with these challenges. A total of 250 parents from various centers in North India participated, and their coping methods were assessed using the Coping Checklist 1989. Most parents, 99.6%, showed average coping levels, while only 0.4% demonstrated good coping, and none had poor coping scores. Parents of children with severe mental retardation tended to use strategies like problem solving, acceptance, and distraction more often. The findings highlight the emotional strain faced by these parents and emphasize the importance of providing social, emotional, and counseling support. Healthcare centers should organize group counseling sessions to strengthen parents' mental well-being and help them better manage the challenges of raising intellectually challenged children. Introduction. Mental retardation is a condition where the mind does not fully develop, leading to difficulties in learning, reasoning, and adapting to everyday life. Children with this condition often struggle to perform tasks that other children of the same age can easily manage. This situation can be very stressful for parents, who may experience feelings of guilt, shame, or even believe they are being punished. Many face social stigma and isolation due to negative attitudes from relatives or the community. The emotional and physical strain of constant caregiving can affect parents' health, confidence, and relationships. Some may avoid social activities out of fear of judgment, while others find strength through family unity and support. Overall, coping with a child's mental disability requires emotional resilience, understanding, and strong social support from family, friends, and the community to help parents manage stress and maintain their well-being. Conclusion. Parents of children with mental retardation often face social stigma, leading them to be less socially active. They take on greater caregiving responsibilities, which can cause physical, emotional, and social challenges. Despite these difficulties, most parents develop coping strategies to manage stress. This study found that most parents had average coping levels, with only a few showing low coping ability. Parents of children with severe mental retardation used strategies such as problem solving, acceptance, and distraction more often than those with mild or moderate cases. Meanwhile, parents of mildly affected children relied more on social support, positive distraction, and denial or blame, while those of moderately affected children turned more to religion or faith. These findings show that coping methods vary depending on the severity of the child's condition and highlight the importance of emotional and social support to help parents manage caregiving challenges effectively. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.